I started it because when I came to London, I didn't really have somewhere to dance, and I wanted to dance. And so I just started the class in hopes that I might meet other dancers, and it would become like a place for us to get together and dance. And that was when I first came here, so 10 years ago. And it was tiny. I mean, for like years, there was nobody in the class. There maybe 2 people, maybe 3 people. But I just kept going every week. I just kept going. And then over about 5 years, we built up, maybe 10 people. And then at some point we decided, wow, we really love doing this, and we really love doing this together. And so I started putting a lot more time into it. And we've just really grown in the last few years a lot. And so now I pretty much dance every day.